Many people want to grow on YouTube, but they have neglected the steps and the tips they're supposed to follow before they can grow on YouTube. In today's video, I will make you understand the 6 steps and the 6 tips you have to follow if you are willing to grow on YouTube. If you want to go on YouTube, the first step you have to follow is to understand the work of algorithm. I know you'll be hearing this algorithm. Is it someone, is it a group of people, or how does it work? Let me make you understand more better. Algorithm is not platform, algorithm is not some group of people, but your audience. This is where you have to understand that you are not creating content for the application called YouTube, but you are creating content for people to watch, for someone to watch out there. So when you know what they want, when you know what that person really wants, it's so easy for you to grow on YouTube. E.g., many people are looking for how to grow their hair naturally, that is homemade hair growth, and you have some tips that you can use to grow your own hair. Why can't you share it with them? This is what they want. This is what is called algorithm. To understand that you are creating your content for someone out there, not for the YouTube, but for someone inside the YouTube. This is what you're supposed to understand. The second tips you have to do is to engage with your audience. I've seen a lot of videos on YouTube whereby you will comment, they will just give you a like or heart. And you just open your YouTube channel like with 1,000 subscribers, 2,000 subscribers, and you cannot interact with your audience. You cannot interact with those people who choose to click on your video. You are forming as if you are big. No, you have to interact. You have to answer them. Even if they say hi, say hello, just let them know that, yeah, they are part of you. With that, you are creating bond with your audience. This is how you get your audience. This is how you get your audience. And audience are those that will be giving you valuable things in future. When you get monetized, those are the people that will like to make money on YouTube. Yeah, so you have to be interact with your audience. Engage in the comment section. After you've dropped a video, make sure you discuss something. Just drop a question on the comment section. I dropped a video on my main channel recently. I was the first person who commented on the video. Before I know it, people are just giving me some comments. I was so happy to interact with them. You can imagine. So this creates bond with your audience. It lets you create bond between you and your audience. Don't feel too big whenever you upload a video. Make sure you interact with them immediately they drop a comment. The top step you have to follow if you want to grow on YouTube is create a video around keyword and topic. What does it mean? Before you sit down to create your own video, make a research on the topic you're about to get in. How can you do that? You can use tubebuddy or vidIQ to search for the keyword that you're supposed to use. In there, you will know what you're supposed to create. As simple as that. If you don't want to use vidIQ or tubebuddy, you can go on and search on YouTube or search on Google about the topic you're about to teach people. Like, YouTube is all about learning. You cannot know it all. You have to learn a lot of things before you can sit down to be teaching people on how to do anything at all on YouTube, especially on tutorial video. Like, if you want to create it just based on lifestyle or something like that, that one doesn't really need a lot of energy. But if you want to go into educational video or something like that, you have to make sure that you search it on YouTube or on tubebuddy or on vidIQ. The first step you have to follow if you want to go on YouTube faster is stop making too long video. I've seen a lot of new YouTubers. I have my main YouTube channel. I've been YouTuber for 2 years. I've seen a lot of YouTubers that are making 20 minutes videos, 30 minutes video. Who has that time to sit on YouTube and be watching 20 minutes video? Like, especially those random video like a day in my life, cook with me, do like this. It's too long. You just started your YouTube channel. You haven't got to 1,000 subscribers, right? You haven't got to 2,000 subscribers. Even if you get to 2,000 subscribers, unless if you have audience, then you've made yourself some name. That when I drop a video, I know my audience is going to watch. Especially if you have that long, interesting video, then people are going to interact with you. But you just make random video and you created it for 20 minutes. That is too long. It's too long. Make yourself some name first before you can proceed on making a long video. This will take me to the first step you have to follow if you want to go on YouTube is don't worry about your 4,000 watch hours. I know everybody wants to go on YouTube. I know you want to be monetized faster. I know a lot of things that you want to do with your 4,000 watch hours. I've been there. Let me make you understand. You don't need to be so faster and rush yourself into that 4,000 watch hours. You are going to get there in as much you are uploading frequently and consistently. You are going to get that 4,000 watch hours you need. YouTube is not where you can sit down and you say you don't want to upload video, like upload video once a week or twice in a week, and you just want to sit down and relax yourself. No, that is not what you are coming here to do. YouTube is where you have to put on the energy and your hard work will be the one to pays you. Yeah. So take it slowly, make it slowly. Just find what people need, create what people need, create what people want to see, and you will get there. Don't rush. The last on my list, which is the 6 steps you have to follow if you want to grow on YouTube, is promote. Promote your channel, promote your videos on other platforms. I don't know ask you to give other people permission on your channel, like making them the editor on your channel. No, promote it by yourself. Promote it on your Facebook, promote it on TikTok, promote it on Instagram, promote it on other platforms. Or you can still go on and contact one of your favorite YouTuber that you know they are having good audience. Then they can help you to promote your video. But before you promote your videos from your favorite YouTuber, make sure you have good content in your channel. With that, when they promote your channel, they can come to your channel. You can hook them. Some of your videos can hook them down. Like when they say that no, what this person is creating is so good, then they can talk to your audience. So that's it. That's how to go on YouTube. It's not hard. Just put on what you know people want to watch, and you are good to go. I hope you pick one or two things in today's video. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe to my channel. Click on the notification bell so whenever I post any video, you'll be the first person to see it. And bye.